But dear butterfly, you hold me tight. Yeah.
Good watch ya. Wait, let's tell me show good it is. Wait.
What?
Wait, Gally, wait. We'll pause this. You never hear me say congrats?
Yeah, me see it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My friend. Watch out, we're gonna
Clap
look
that
for it.
tea, clap.
Back in the tea is weird. We're gonna look for it, Gally.
Guys, everybody with a rose. Guys, everybody with a rose.
Wait, the Gally.
Guys, everybody send a rose quick.
Oh, this nobody.
Guys, rose, please.
Gally, wait, my have it in a girl, my have it, I find it.
Rose, everybody with a rose.
Yeah, my girl, may I find it.
Rose, guys. Rose, what happens?
Wait there. I can't find it on my phone.
Triple guys, use the triple guys, use the triple guys, use the triple guys. Use the triple guys, triple chat. Guys, wanna use the triple, please.
Look for Gally, yes.
Guys, wanna use the triple no great one. Beg some panic triple no, please. Guys, wanna use the triple quick now.
Look for it best.
Triple guys. Triple chat. Triple guys.
Look for it best.
Guys, you can't put in panic triple. Oh God.
Yeah. See that Keke? Wait. Show your one, no Gally. Show your one. We're too lovebird. Show your one, no goods.
Hold on, my phone are dead. Me here.
Go feed.
The rose that come at we wedding.
Of course. You're my friend.
Okay.
Go into the chopper. You know that every woman deserves love?
Every woman.
You deserve it, baby. I'm so happy for you.
Real happiness. Look.
Now any other day, I would play it cool, but I can't now, cause I want you. See, I'm hooked.
Rose, after Jax we did big.
Massive.
So you're saying eat it. Me feel like you tell like for my man. He use
Just not eat your one.
I like it. You boy would big and sweet and black.
Just not eat your one. Osh.
Nothing, no sir.
I'm just not gonna eat your own cakes. That's how it go.
What?
We're not gonna discuss that.
Why
I
best?
don't know
Remember, we are best. We can
Yes.
talk about anything.
No, but I don't know what you're talking about. I don't want to talk about that.
So you want to tell me about your man and me can't tell about mine?
Alright, we can talk about your man then.
Yes. He's so sweet and loving, Rose. He can really cook. He's a family man. He loves his kids, you know, and he do everything perfect. And he's every girl dream, man. If a woman get a man like this, they don't want to lose him.
Well, okay.
Thanks, everybody.
Well, if I'm me and Roll in the same boat because I'm moving here and my man get my stuff out of the furniture store and moving my things them and fix up my place. And he just left here like about 2 or 3 hours ago. I'm gonna just call him out and say I'll come check me later. So I think every girl do that.
Triple chat. So, boyfriend asleep over tonight?
Every night. But me live somewhere, you know. I him live somewhere.
Triple trats.
I know a nice Keke when I live so. You know a nice Keke? What tell you a nice Keke? Best you know a nice. When you live somewhere and your man live somewhere, man can come at your yard. You can go your man yard.
Yeah, that
And he can
nice.
cook for you. And you can cook back.
So Akim can cook, bestie?
Yeah.
So what he cook for you today?
A lot of things. No, I cooked dinner today.
What
You know
you
me,
cook?
actually. Rice, gungo rice and peas. And fire cook down fish. With the vegetable on the side and the things.
Then eat off and if belly full and all of these things.
Yeah. And we were cuddling.
Oh.
And about biggest girl? Lint.
Me think you maga.
No, you're not gonna get that one yet. You think I realize the things that I want, you want. You're not gonna get this one.
That's what we don't want that one day. 18 hours strat.
Not 18 of us.
So in last of feel it, John.
All the while.
So me not you're not loyal then.
Loyal, oh.
Cause the other day you tell me say man near my front no Akim. I
But
watch
you're not-
man your
but you're
bestie.
not loyal,
Which
like,
one of
remember-
them you talk?
You know loyal, I remember say what you got friend go fuck your gift and live in an hotel
No,
in a
me
hotel
me say that you know but
And the same thing you say me I say.
so you tell me
It's
say
a
you have two man
storyteller.
like me. 3
Yeah.
rose guys.
No, me a 40 man like you.
Rose guys, 3
Yes.
more quick. 2 more quick. One, thanks. Bestie, you're stressing me out.
You're stressing me too, bestie. You
So
went to the
you
beach.
one body have 2 man and
You-
you can't
you
talk
went-
about a 2 man named brawling.
You went to the beach today?
A man we are talking about now.
So where were your man when you were at the beach today?
Triple guys, he was busy working. Triple chat. Triple guys. Watch ya. Chat to use it triple, watch ya. Now go look off my comment section
That's
because
it
this
to
is not
do.
cute. Now go look off my comment section because I can't
mean,
over
don't
here so not type so much and I can't send no gift. A wickedness that. Total wickedness. One of them laugh and not even galaxy no can't send. Alright then make it stay how it is.
The feeling that it's real.
Alright, thanks. Let me turn on the back. So I go on differently.
You know why you about your shenanigans? I gave me a play. I'm only my water. You know why you about your man story.
So you just switch so.
Pass up as a Gemini. If you not gonna play the game, I wanna play the game tomorrow. I'm not in the mood tonight. I may look something on the board. I like when you win, I get jealous over the winnings.
They're bad mind.
Over the winnings. Yes, that means if your scored that much, my score, then who could I elaborate? That means my side is not enjoying you. And I'm now put, can't bother talk. I eat me a work for. I didn't like the things that we're saying have to stop. My side wanna do, don't make sure win.
Snipe shot. Guys, everybody snipe. Team
Can we
snipe.
Snapchat?
Team snipe. Guys, team snipe. Team snipe, guys.
Yes. Can we snap?
Snipe, guys, no please.
Snapchat.
Guys, snipe again, no please.
When I have a wheel or a pussy, one of my best to them.
Guys, snipe, no please.
Snapchat. Snipe, 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 snipe. Boy.
Thank you.
A good chat, thanks.
One Jordan. Everybody, thanks. I'm gonna see you tomorrow in a rose.
That's nice, Keke. I wish you all the best. I'm serious, you know. I wish you all the best.
Yeah. So you can watch your first sleepover upon live. We are go pajama. Well, you have any idea what we can put in our room for decorate it?
Which room?
What we are go sleep in?
Where the room do we go sleep in?
Oh, you know, triple. Me meet my mother-in-law too, you know. Triple guys. First triple guys. Guys, first triple quick. Guys, first triple fast.
You meet the ranty too, man?
Thank you. Thank you, Wanja.
Oh,
why are you saying that? My mother-in-law is the sweetest. When I went there, she gave me food and water and she made me feel welcome.
Food
She's
and water?
the sweetest thing. And juice.
You go in our bedroom?
Yeah.
In our board house?
In the clean and nice.
That's true.
I know where you live in a Rose, but how you keep, you know, because there are some people that can live in a big wall house and everything, you know, and they dirty and smell bad.
But you know,
And
so
some
dirty and
people
smell
know
bad.
live in a one little board house and it clean.
Liar, tell, because you do man now showing out coming out in the other one. Remember me know them years.
So how you know about my man so much about what my mother
Alright, you what? Me don't want to talk about your man. That's
21
important.
Rose.
Alright. Me don't want to be your man. Is that's important? 21
Rose, guys, 21 Rose.
You come back with the trip. Me forgot black your Keke.
With what?
I'm unfair your fam now.
Yeah, for why?
Because when you take up my trash and dig it, no girl will dig in my trash can argue with me, you know. You dig in my trash.
Argue.
So relax. Make we do that. Me do this in front of 4.6K. You dig in my trash. You don't need to argue. Go play
Triple guys. Triple guys.
And I might trash bin a gang and you got my mess.
Triple
and walk up
guys.
in an argument with me, cheeky, relax.
Me not argue.
I tell them me not play them the role there. Relax. Me not mute her.
Triple guys.
If you digging in my trash, Keke, and want come tell me about your mother-in-law, who give a fuck? Who cares? You start troll again. Me forgot block you.
Troll how? So now you ask me something.
I don't want to talk about your mess. You can't be trusted again. You forgot block Keke again, Chad. Make we unfollow her. Too black.
So last night I come and say happy for me bestie.
Yeah, but me can't tame. Because you start to troll again.
Troll how? What me do wrong and from there me come up?
I say congrats. That means I'm happy for you. When you come, I'ma meet my mother-in-law and me meet my this. I don't give two fuck.
So when you show me say you're happy, me never say nothing.
It's my world and you bitches have to pay to live in it. No, I don't look clout, you know. I don't care about you and my rubbish. It's when I move a man, when I leave a man and Keke, that's my bin. You go in my bin and take up my trash and want to come help me. Keke don't have to do this in front of the crowd of people. Relax.
Do what?
Do what you're doing. Don't troll me, Keke. Me's a top girl. And Keke, shh. If a future reference, I swear to God that him blind me and burn me up if I'm telling a lie. He said, no boy, I'm a piss in them face. You and them can hype on me. I'm telling that already. Make we do this again, please. Focus on the game, boo. Remember I work with it. We can't follow you back now. Come in at the mood. I'm gonna go deep in a Keke. I swear upon all, I'm two pitting them life. Nobody will look at my body. You and them can hype on me. Relax. My world. You know I'll have to pray for living night. And him know no lie me I tell. I'm a body jakes look out. Relax, Keke, my world. You have to play for living night. Relax. When I tell lie, I come and look clout. When I trace, I tell her the detail. Relax, Keke. I'm never worry to do this, you know. I swear upon all my kids them life. A boy have to look out and my bottom pistol lime face. Yeah, come here, top girl. My world, people have to pay for living night. You never know that. What you both say you church up my world, I want to pay for living night. Come,
Okay.
bestie.
Natasha. tight.
my
Everybody
fairy. She's my
thanks.
best friend. Come bestie. No, when I run her, she's a human. I don't know when I run her, she's a human being. I'm a friend. Relax. I can handle the candle. I'm happy for you. I give you my grace and mercy. I've moved on. I did 12 years of it and I've moved on. So if you want to go and take your term, that's your term. I don't give two fuck fetible. So when they hear me come when I look my kinds and don't come I don't care, Keke. If you want to go to see you, live at see you, honor, see you, run from see you, that has nothing to do with love.
Guys, first triple, please.
Because Keke, I know I piss on your man. But you are
First
posing.
triple, guys.
You and him can never hype. Triple chat. Happy New
First
Year,
triple,
baby.
guys,
But
please.
triple last time I chat about you know. I mean after a long time. That's a very
Thank you, Ricky.
for the New Year.
Guys, wanna use the first triple?
This too much now. Oh, it's too much now. Happy New Year, baby. It's too much now. No, because Keke run down mate roll from me. I say Keke, you cannot run down mate roll from me.
Rosealee, me can't ask bestie, me can't ask a question.
Hold on the best. Hold on.
If your man did let there, and you left your man, and the man take up on different girl, I think you as a person should have even have nothing to say about it. Like you regard.
Hold on, baby. If you're the man, if me and the man left, and you're the man there, why you come? But I'ma meet your man like me not care. Me say and the man, me make sure go over there go say congrats.
But best you show me by your phone and me show you back something.
Listen, Keke. It's like you want me to feel some type of way. I come with a bag of troll. Me not depend that. Me and the man left and you and the man in that things. Me not care. Me have you as my friend. You think me care about that? You want
25 rose.
You always want me to in a chatting town all the cloud. Me not want the man. But since you want
25
troll.
rose, guys.
I troll. The boy
25 rose.
I put them can't hype on me. I straight up, I'm a two pit them life and the two them on my dash way. Whatever company land. Me a girl piss in Jake's mouth and him know that. Him know. I Jake's like naughty. Focus.
Triple, guys. Guys, wanna use it triple,
All I
please.
do is the best. Me not gonna disrespect your partner because I love you sincerely.
Triple, guys.
I love you so much. I know you feel that type of way. So if I said
Triple,
something,
guys.
I'm sorry. Okay, bestie? Okay, I'm gonna leave it. Triple chat.
So much people can't over here and can't use it triple. Come like I don't remember say one game.
I leave it favor.
Guys, wanna use it triple.
Chat with them and can put on the times 3.
Guys, use it triple, please.
5,000 Power Ranger. I can't stay, so I'm gonna go home. But I bet about a 5,000 crowd of people. We are so we can pop. We can go afford chat, make that man a restart. You know what I love nice Keke?
I don't hear about it because I'm tell about mine I feel that way. I don't want to hear.
I don't feel
Me
no
no
way.
want to hear.
I don't feel no way.
Me no feel no way either. No I hear about your man if me can't
Alright,
tell about mine.
tell me about your man Keeks. I wanna hear.
No, it's okay.
Okay. Tell me about your man. You're my best thing I wanna hear.
You go say me a troll, so might as well me tapping eyes.
You feel love? You feel love?
Plenty butterflies.
Plenty butterflies?
Yeah.
Happy for you.
Look way better than the first time when I met him. So black. In black and handsome, clean off, put on weight, complexion a clear out.
Let's squeeze the bump in my face.
There's no bump there.
You
don't want. No, in clean face.
We do a pussy juice.
No.
So come here,
Why would you?
Keke. Come here,
The
Keke. Ask that
bestie.
question. When I ask him about the girl, when care what I tell her the white, Alia. I will permit you, I'm
When
your
me
friend.
did
Be a
that two
bestie.
different
Hold
something.
on. Be a bestie, you know. I have only permit you, girl. But I love you. Come.
Thanks everybody. Me here say you have me here too.
Me? Me? Keke, me not keep mate. When you the man of your man, when you the man of your man, when me the man of my man.
But me here say you have me yet.
I told you have mate.
But what me and you are different. I mean, I want to feel in a way.
Well,
So
me
might
not
as well we not talk about mate.
what behind you're different. Me know why you feel the way another because
Yeah, cause you say me have woman mate and me here say your mate them is a
because
man.
oh, but you know some me finger your man body wall though. And I'm a
Me
one
no
pan
know, me
though.
never
Me
did
I
that some
tell
more
you.
know.
Me I tell you some
Triple.
me I tell you some finger your man body wall, I'm from one pan it though.
Triple.
You never know that. Your man take fuck, you know. You never know your man take fuck. So the two we have man mate.
I first me hear that.
No, I mean I tell you. You can know it.
So when since that start?
It started a long time ago.
So you know no man them want touch him.
One whole permit him have as man. Remember I'm two brother my body man. My finger, me and him threesome with man. Him suck man would make me see. How well pa close a treat. We just now want talk.
But you did involve in the Rosealee, so you go
Yes,
class
me
him.
say we do threesome with man and him so cool that me say.
You
That I me
simply
say.
the best.
Me I tell you. Say him do threesome with man and him so good. So him can't talk. We gotta talk, say. You never know just Jake so cocky.
But I first mirror say
And the
that.
first year I hear it, come have whole pa hidden secret enough. At 12 year widow, they have whole heap.
23 rose, everybody. No big gift yet, guys. Everybody with a rose. Guys, rose. 23
Yeah.
rose.
When the man,
23 rose.
when I get a secret, when I do the tree, some man, the man would them all them a lick, all my all them a lick out, with the man do the right side eye. He flick out and go in their mouth, yeah. Him friend for over train line, ask him. If him not so good like dog. Yeah, man, a batty man long time, I just hold it down. When my finger Jake's batty, a 3 finger, I'm put my Jake's batty.
So rose, that mean
I try them finger, I'm pushing a Jake's batty while I shit fly out.
guys. That means that you shit up then and I so long you're there with him.
Yeah. And you shit up to can you take him. So the two in a shit story. Come on him fuck you.
That why we are mock.
Yes.
Okay.
But one thing.
Triple guys,
One
use the triple quick.
One thing with me and you.
Guys, the
one
triple
thing with me
guys.
and you, him never suck your pussy.
The triple guys.
And one thing with me and you never finger him.
Guys, the triple guys.
Man, but you it deep.
Guys, the triple guys, use the triple. Remember, say we
sometimes still I want to Jakes
or
take
the triple
fuck
guys.
a long time.
Nah, use the triple till me turn on the comments.
Bleed.
Use the triple guys. Everybody use the triple guys.
The battle will deep and it nah bleed.
Guys,
The
only use the
battle will
triple
deep
now.
and it nah bleed. I shit fly up on my finger and the pan and I'm like wide it out and I push my finger in it. Regular. I'm a regular freak. Man, I tell you. 3 fingers, sometimes I push 2, I put out 3 and try it. Jake's body deep.
Press the gloves. Press the gloves, guys. Tongues. It connect, guys. Use the gloves now, guys.
You never know.
Guys, put on flying jet panic gloves now. Look at gloves are waist. Thank you, Smithy.
Cause we don't work with earstep on the media and I work with them. We don't work with earstep and I work with what me know about. I mean no such Jake's a batty man.
So Rosealee, you never see Jakes come bring a down on the internet, so why you bring down the man so? But if I say me your bestie, you should do that to me, man.
I hold a secret to this way no know. Me a girl of 3 finger name back to one. I shit fly upon my finger name because wash out.
That's why you deal with that bestie man.
Yeah, me I tell you.
Suppose me dey talk something about your man.
You can't talk nothing about my man.
Press the gloves and shoot, guys.
You can't talk no more my man because you don't have no proof, but me can't talk about your man because me have proof. My proof, me know my finger jakes batty wall and shit fly.
It's not go end well, you know.
It not go end well because batty wall deep. I'm push up my finger way up in night. Ask him when I see him. And I can't tell him in front of him face and he can't do shit. And he can't do a jump for war.
Mitty thanks, Real Mona Lisa thanks, Lady Boss thanks, Paradise.
But anyway,
everybody
goodbye.
thanks.
Fedible, thank you. No, we're not gonna run because I will run now we have a black. She's still over there, Caan there. We got black car now. You shall get 2 ups. Enough. No. With a black car. She can't stay in the environment here with a black she. We're not gonna argue with her either. So, you know she come on a cloud tracing ceremony of a gear with nice and cool and handy. And then we black her nasty blood clot. I make you go back in the trash bin. You have to throw black pan she. Cause you know what we do? We art soft as human man, we give them clarity and time and come. I'm not sure come so I set for her and I come set for black her. That's why I don't leave yet. Come and know. All let me know she's coming about, you know. She's coming and 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 she's fucking coming and she's fucking coming. I'm gonna say, all right now, that's why I said go call her because I know them operate, you know. The cloud tracing seminar and I know how blood clot. I'm say, all right, Keke, me I got rid of you once and for all, you know. Come now go black you again, you go stay in a blacklist. That's how we go about work. Because when them a trash pan ya, and you pick them up, and you give them a highlight, and then you ride with them as a friend, you be courteous. Thank you very much. You be courteous with that human being, and you try to like them. Who up, sir? Them never black you. I'm gonna go behind my words. I know you're at 2020 blood clad 6. At 2020 blood clad 6. When I run with rumors and false allegations, when me attack real, me not ask Christ. Me not ask no question. When me attack real, I'm not want to go down on more story because I not give that man no clout. But I want to say, Keke, don't fall for your trap, you know. I know to block you. Tell him to come. She's my best. Tell him to, him say live with guests. It's a live with guests. You know, I know she was coming, so I said for her because we have to block them early enough. It's a live with guests. I know she'll come. I remember I'm not hungry. I know she'll come. Come on, black car, you know. I'm not argue. I know sometimes you were there. Because sometimes you were there chatting. I tell you how the game play. I'm going to be honest, because 2026, I'm going to be honest with them. I'm going to be honest with the people. And sometimes you were there in a 2020 blood clot 6. Sometimes you were there and told the game work out. And I really say, you want a friend from them in about one. You want a playing part at the time. Sometimes when you come on, nobody's out there to play with you. You're stuck in the water. And you want the 2 local diamonds them. You want the 2 local diamonds them for truth on the board because You just come on and you look 2 diamonds to go up in the game. So sometimes when I really come on, you know, see nobody out if I play with, and then we want to reach out and show you all one gift. And everybody can just see you come on and show you one lion, so I want Insta sell or 2 posts, or 1 wheel or 2 money gun. Sometimes it's hard. Sometimes when the game excited, you don't get a look of change after it and go up in the ranks. But after I tell a big pussy girl say, congrats on your relationship. She come like she want to make this big old blood clot deal as if me bumbo rascal care. Yes, Danke, but if I understand, sometimes we can use them, you know, but when them too much, like she, we block them. Me know art of love. I know they planned it. And I didn't fall right in the trap, you know. I'm a god here because I know she'll come with it. Sooner or later, she'll eventually come with it. I someone want me more to make some boss pan off it, grown a black and a nasty stinking blood clot. Me do it, that's why I go. So I'm not that stupid because I know she'll come with it. Because Keke is an original cloud tracer. Me not feeling a trap sham because I run black. Me not fall in a blood clot trap. Me not fall in a trap, me run black. And me black, she black me. She go back in the blacklist. So when she go back in the blood clot black, she go and stay black this trip. Because we not going black her. I went over here dead for Caan, we just reshuffle and come back. That is it. Yeah. Well, for them tell her what for blood clots, eh? I would say we have to send an argument in it. You never see me happy with that 2 nights ago. So, I know she'll come with it. That's the reason why when some of them pass social, I don't look upon them. I tell her what time it is because she don't know what time it is. I know she'll come, you know. Sooner or later, she don't come. We just have what I say, live with guests. Sooner or later, she don't go blood clock come and wait upon her. We know all of that. Remember, you know, all the people that can't send 1 2 cents always mix up, you know. And you lose a good player with a sit down and play. Because I rank them a rank, you know. Because you want troll. A girl can't troll me. Yeah. Remember in a chat. Them not cook no pot for we. We not fall in no trap. Me know she'll come. I know she was coming. I mean, that's why I send call her. Because I know she'll come with it. Because I know she'll stay. Them not surprise me. So when she started, I know say, alright then no. When I don't chat now, I have to block you. No trap, no set. She can't know my business. She can't know my business. I never trust them from day 1. I know at day 2. 95% of them can't know my business. Me know for them business because it's showing them face. Them can't know my business because I not show my business on my face. When me happy or sad, they can't know. Sometimes when you see me as a ball, I saw me long life setting things. Me overthink. Reflect back on my life. I say, alright, bumbo clot. Where I'm coming from to where me I reach, it bring tears to me eye. Because where I come from in the life here, you're still on your mate span it, and where you reach to where you go, that is just it. I'm no sure come. Remember that shit I say no. More hear tomorrow when she interview. More hear him now. Hear him now. More hear tomorrow when Keke interview her. More hear him now. When more hear tomorrow when Keke interview her. I was sure I say, me know Keke come. She gonna do it sooner or later. Some of us do it from tonight and finish. I'm not drunk, I'm not tipsy. Did I hear the man say last time, I want hear tomorrow? Did I hear on screen card? I want hear tomorrow when you go interview Keke how it go. I'm not falling on no trap, I know she come. I know she is coming. I know. I set for her. So she come and chat off her blood clot mouth. I'm gonna tell her what time it is, I just run the block. I know them a come. I know. I know him send her come. I know. I can't add to him to come in my box. I can't add him. No class me now about boy. Let us take let us take it. Them to come in our box because it say viewers not matching. Them to come in our box. Munchie my wife. Warmer. Me know she come.
How are June?
None.
You know you love Arms House?
What we do?
What you mean with what? Me up on the phone there so and be a yard go and run it off and somebody ask if you want me to say.
You don't just shout bestie.
Oh, me don't need to shout. Okay, that's coming from you. I'm gonna take it. Okay, I don't need to shout.
Talk no.
Me say, me already dep on the thing right there, on the phone there, so now and we are run it off, screw and thing and thing. So me say, my ask you a question. Me say you want me come send you a request in the box. You said yes. Me say okay, as me send the request so you add mystery lady. For what I don't know. What is it? You always a fall for the trap where these people are set.
Me not far from no trap. Me want black Keke, so me have to enter.
But you don't need that.
Listen to you have to
All
listen.
right, go ahead. Me I listen. Okay, me I listen.
I don't far from no trap. Me smarter than everybody. Me smarter than everybody in the world. Me know she come. Show that eventually come with it. Today, tomorrow, she's coming with it. She is.
So why you wait for she come with it if you know she
No,
didn't have the
black,
intention of coming?
no, ever wait. This now, when them come and them saw them as say, so we ask you know what to do. Because she now focus on what she focus on, you know. She come about other things. And when they come about other blood clot things, you know where the mission go. You understand what I say? What this wicked woman say?
Which wicked woman?
This wicked woman.
But June, you have to listen though. You have to listen.
So I
You
need to
never did have to
listen.
hear what she say, mother, you just type in her name Keke or what kind of name what's your name, Money Mama Rich, and just
Don't say
press
what
the
she
black
want
button.
to do.
If
Me
you
black
did want to
already.
black her. Every day, so you just a call her one, just Lego certain things. May you talk about this over and over. You tell me something different on the phone, and then on the live now a totally different something. Me have to wonder if I who me I get, which character me I get. Me not laugh, look at me, actually you not see my face.
Munchi, I think you're correct. But anyway, sometimes, as I explained before, sometimes you come here and you want to play too much with somebody, but I guess if you just let go them.
I never did have to reach to a black stage mother. You just know say
No,
you
no,
and
black
Nana playing a
card.
match together. I even if you play a match
No.
together, if you see she get too smart, no,
You
you
have a
just take
black
away
card
yourself.
because what she like chat up her mouth and she don't know a serious time and serious mission with the pan.
No disrespect now for night. From once you and somebody a play a match, a new year now, you see you and somebody a play a match, you see it a go left, you take away yourself, you turn right, and you move. You know, if you not speaking over on the phone and not scream and this and that, you just take away yourself and you avoid them people. Eh. Me don't know how you do it sometime, you know. Me don't know how you do it, you know. They say me in the position like you a big ranker. And me and somebody kick the bucket the first time, that is it. You lost to me. There's no way a screen recording alone you can see with me.
Well, Toto, that's the difference between me and you.
No, but you need to listen and adapt certain things.
Me can't be you and you can't be me.
Me no want you to be me and me no want to be you, but me I say you have to listen
Listen
sometime.
up.
When people disrespect
Listen
you
up.
first time,
Listen up.
don't make them do it a second
And
time.
that is what with me. That is what with that you use it. Don't chant it. Don't
Tell me what
chant
is you.
it.
Tell me what is a Gemini.
Don't
Tell me what Gemini would I do.
type. Yeah, so you get me upset.
Come talk.
Me, I always give people all multiple chance with me.
Why?
Me no know. Because
Okay.
sometimes, me no know. You are Sagittarius, me a Gemini. One thing for you and that's it. Me give multiple chances. Me don't really know why.
Constant, this one is not a child.
Constantly. So I'm cut you off. That means say it's no turning back. I give people a chance with me. Over and over and over and over and over and over and over. When you can say, okay, then fuck that shit. I just can't. Because sometimes guilt kill me and I feel some type of way. And it's a totally different between me and you. Yes, but I can't say one business till I try. Me always give people multiple chance with me. When me done, me done. So when me done, there's no turning back. When me finish, me finish.
So when is the finishing point for you?
No.
Okay. So where you say no, what you do? Are you mute or you black or you unfollow or what you do? Where you do black or now?
Toto, let's not discuss that.
No, I want to know, come on, know if
No,
you
she
just
get a black under blood clot because
oh, so there is no point in time where you got
no
unblock
point
her
in
anytime
time.
soon.
No point in time she can't come back here. So no point in
Okay.
time she can't come back. Yeah, blood
June,
clot.
today is the
So
11th day. In a reach of 12 year, today is the 11th day of the first month of the year 2026. Remember what you said.
Toto, me don't chat to you.
Okay.
I don't know what you're talking about. She can't come back, yeah. So, cause them the power like a clothing. I'm not the pan bag of chatting. Me have a black car. She have stay black. When my black people them stay black, you know.
It's rough.
Oh,
So anyway, I'm going to go for that now. Where you go cook tomorrow?
I don't know.
You turn one piece of cookies though.
False prophet.
No. You go culinary art school. Drink some water and drink no more rum. You're tormented.
Not drink no more. Not drink no more. I don't want to water, but I'm not drink no more. I'll cook some soup.